Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Chaitanya Chronicles. And today actually we are going to integrate all the whatever we have created the tasks, right? I mean whatever AI created the tasks on a daily basis. So we will integrate, uh, you know we will save to the calendar, right? In the .ics file we'll save, and we'll see whether it will import to the calendar. And also, so this is like a real time, right? For example, if you want to add any events planned, like a plan my day for fitness or something like that, right? So you will get a time based schedule, right? Like from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. what we need to do and other things. So today what we will do is we'll just see on like a practical level how it is, how it is fetching the calendar, how it is adding the events, and how it is, how we can import to the calendar. So we will see that. And as I know that this is a real time scenario where everybody can add their particular events to the calendar. So please be attentive in this video so that we can integrate with the calendar. So it's like a second part of that video, whatever I created last time. That is AI planning. I have created the personal AI assistant. So today we will integrate with the calendar, so that it's like a live practical example, right? So whatever you want to do, so you will put it in the calendar. So that's where I want you guys to be focused on this video so that you guys can see how it is integrated to the calendar events. Okay, so let's start. uh, so what I will do, already I have my VS code which is already having that, the code of the earlier one, right? So we have that already. So here if you see, already I have the code of everything. So if you see agent.py, we have this tools, and we are doing the schedule, and memory dot schema tools, everything is there. Just on top of this we will create, we will create that calendar integration. Okay, so what I will do, so now agent.py is there, and llm.py is there, and memory.py, schema.py, and tools.py, and main.py is also there. So I need to update few things. First, let me come to the requirement.txt, and I need to add one dependency called ICS, which will create ICS files for you. So then Python also there is a dependency called ICS, where you can download this dependency and you can use for calendar events. Okay, so what I will do, I will just start with new terminal, and so what I will do, I will just go to my C command prompt. So as you see, my VNV is already got activated. So straight away what I will do, I will give pip install, okay, -r requirements dot txt. So once I do this, so my ICS dependencies will get downloaded, and as soon as it is downloaded, let us wait. Yeah, it's completed now. So ICS, all the things got dependencies got downloaded here. Okay, so now what we need to do is, so we need to update uh, four files. Okay, one is memory. Let memory.py and schema.py will not touch today, because it's already a generic one what we are trying to create here. But we need to modify agent.py, and we need to modify llm.py, and we need to modify tools.py, and we need to modify main.py. So first let me do one thing. I will just go and start with my agent.py. Sorry, I will just go and start with my tools.py, right? Because that is a base. Tools.py is my base. So what I will do, I will go to my tools.py, and already I have this already ready with planned day. So to make it simpler, so what I can do is, since you guys know this, right, I can remove this content as of now. This is just a comment what I have had, guys. Okay, so what I will do, I will just close this to make sure that you guys are seeing properly tools.py, and I can also go to view appearance and zoom in so that it will be proper, you guys can see properly. Okay, so what I will do is, I will just start creating this, you know. Uh, Second, let me focus only on this so that you guys will get the main context here. Okay, so what I will do here, I will just delete this as of now because I don't want this, because that was just a, you know, update what I wanted to do. And as of now I have my scheduled text already written, so that should be fine. And I will create another function, okay, which is save to calendar. Okay, so I need to save to calendar, right? So that is also very important. So save to calendar is my another function what I need to write here. Okay, so here, and also guys, another thing what I wanted to tell is, one second. Yeah, in tools.py actually we need to do import, right? Import of what? Import of re we need to do first, that is request. Okay, so again import ics I need to do, guys. Ics from from, sorry, from ics, import calendar and event, that is also very important. From date time, okay, import import date time comma time delta. So these are the all functions I need to import here. Okay, so this is necessary here. Okay, so in my def save to calendar, what I need to do is I need to pass scheduled text. As of now let us keep it as none. Okay, uh, next what I need to do, calendar data equal to none. Okay, comma user input. So I need to pass three variables here in the save to calendar. Okay, and I need to create one function. Okay, so what I need to do now is, so I need to support, so for example, right, if calendar data is there also I need to support, right? If not also, calendar it should be there. Or if you not want also I need to support, you need to tell, right, written no scheduled data, right? So I need to support for both the things. So what I will do, I will add if condition. Okay, so if condition I will add, and what I will do is I will start. Yeah, so let us start if, right, if statement. So if statement, what I will do, if calendar data, yeah, if calendar data, scheduled text equal to calendar data. Okay, so it should support both the case. Basically it's calendar data, it should schedule, like scheduled text should support the calendar also, right? So that's why I am putting the this condition here. Okay, so if not scheduled text, right? If not scheduled text, that's very important. If not scheduled text, you know here I need to put colon. Yeah, now what I need to do is that return, okay, no scheduled data provided. So this is the ideal way to do that. Okay, so now what I need to do, I need to call the calendar. So for that calendar, what I will do, I will just add one variable called cal, and I will just instantiate the calendar. Okay, so now what I need to do, so to support the both the format, right, I need to write the pattern equal to. Okay, so I'll explain this. Okay, just I'll copy paste this and I will explain what is this, right? So this is a very important command what I'm trying to write here. Okay, so first what it will do, guys, is that uh yeah, so this is the first one is there, right, which is d12, which will support the our format, guys. So this is a regular expression. Okay, so for example, what I wanted to tell is, suppose you are telling the pattern. Okay, uh saying that, okay, So suppose you have 8 a.m or something, right? 8 or 12, 12, okay, 12 a.m, something like that. Okay, just giving example. Okay, so this 1 2 represents, so it can be 1 or it can be 2. For example, your our this is the our format, right? D1 comma 2 is our format. So it can be 1 or 2 integers, so it can be 12 also, it can be 2 also, right? So that is for the first one. This is backslash 2. And second, this is a seconds format, so which is like, it can be like 2 digits. It is 2 digits only, right? It is always 2 digits only. 15, 14, it 0 0 0 1, 0 2. This is a second format, so which is 0 1 0 2 0 3. And am pm represents, guys, it is like a am pm, you guys know, right? Am pm means what? Am means morning and pm means evening. That will be the format for that. So like that, we should actually take the format in such a way that it should display the format in such a way that this pattern, whatever I am writing, this pattern, it should be proper. Okay. And so now this is first step. Okay, so now like 8, for example, think like 8 a.m, or okay, this much is done, right? So now, based on this, I will explain, guys. So 8 a.m, this much is 8 a.m, okay, which is this much. 8 a.m, this is still this much. 8 a.m, 8 a.m or pm, anything is fine. So this is still this much. So afterwards we need to give hyphen here. This is a hyphen which we are giving here. Okay, so now 9 a.m I need to write same format, which is 9 a.m. And afterwards, what you need to give, guys, you need to give the integer, sorry, string value. So it will be like this string value, whatever I am writing here, right? So this is what is the main thing, right? So maybe for your understanding, what I will do is I will just control x, and I will write here, or what I will do, I will just write here only, saying that this is the format. This is the format you can understand. This is a format where you can understand the things as well. So this is how it works. This is a like a pattern what I am trying to say here. Okay, so if you have any doubts, please put it in the comments or something, so that I can make you understand. Probably you guys would have understood what I'm trying to say, but if you guys have anything apart from this, please let me know. Okay, so this is clear. Now what I will do, I need to write one for loop, guys. I'll just try to write one for loop here. For line in scheduled text. Okay, dot split. So what this should be doing, guys, is that, so whenever you have the data, so in the calendar, right, you need to split it. You need to split it based on the numbers. For example, 8 a.m to 9 a.m, one event. 9 a.m to 10 a.m, you need to split that event, right? That's why we are writing the for loop here, so that every line, it should have this sentence match equal to, okay, re dot match, okay, pattern comma line, pattern comma line. Okay, if not match, if not match, okay, you should continue. So it should match. If it is not matching, it should continue these things, right? So now what I need to do is, I need to start comma start am pm comma end am pm. I'll make you understand this also. Task is equal to match dot groups. So what is the start am pm? So you need to match those groups, right? So start, when is the start time, end time, end this one, you need to match the groups. So that's why we are trying, we are giving this. Now I need to write one try catch block. I will explain you what is that. Try. Okay, if, okay, start am pm, start am pm, okay, start dt equal to, date time, dot, strp time you know f I need to write start in flower bracket again, start. So this is our format what I need to write here, guys. Start det, this one. Okay, end det is also same thing. Only thing what I need to do is I need to put, I will just copy this so that it will not be that much time waste. So end dt equal to, so here I need to put end here, and I need to put end am pm here. That's it. Okay, there is no other alternatives here. So now else, okay, else what you need to write, same thing, start dt, okay, one second, is equal to date time dot est rpt time start hours and minutes you need to give. End time is also same, end time hours and minutes we need to write. Okay, so this is how you need to give that values in the proper order, so that we need to write this in a try block. Okay, now we will write the date logic. Okay, date logic we will write. So now if user input, so let us hard code this value to tomorrow, guys. I mean, we can do multiple things, but let me add to tomorrow. Tomorrow means it should actually add the events to the tomorrow. Okay, because we can do multiple dynamic scheduling things for different time or different dates also. But as of now, let me take it as, I don't want to over complicate for you guys, so that I am taking only for tomorrow as of now. Okay, so if you take tomorrow, what it will do is, like, if user input and tomorrow in user input, right? So what you need to do is, you need to just to take event date. Sorry, event date is one of the variable we can take here. Event date equal to, okay, so date time now, and plus I'm just doing I'm just hard coding this value as of now, because whatever the value is there, first currently the time is, date is 4 today, because I'm doing this video 4th of today, and now it will be like, this should be scheduled at 5th of 5th of April, it will schedule the calendar. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, now else what I will do, guys, is that event date and time, you will add date time now, but I'll just give like schedule the time or something tomorrow or something. If I give, then it will give day plus one, or if you tell like, okay, schedule now, it will give event date equal to date time now, so that it will be starting at the 4th only. Okay, I mean, it will add the calendar to the 4th only. Okay, so this is fine, right? Start date concept is fine now. Yeah, whatever we have date logic we have fine. Now what I will do, so I need to write another variable here, which is start dt equal to start dt replace replace we need to do, right? Year in event dot year, month event dot month, day event dot day, we need to start replacing that in a start date, and end date also same thing. Okay, end date also same thing we need to do. So event date dot year, event date dot month, and event date dot day we need to do. Okay, so now what I need to do, I need to call event equal to event. So this is a one of the inbuilt function. Event is one of the inbuilt function. I am adding to the event variable. Event dot name task dot strip. So whatever the task is there, for that particular task, I need to add the tasks in the that variable. Event dot begin is the start date. Okay, event dot end will be the end date. End dt. Sorry, no, it's not a date. Start time and end dt. End start dt and end dt. Okay. Now I need to add all the events to the calendar. Cal dot events dot add events. Add event. Each and every event I need to start adding to the calendar. Okay. Now except a block I need to write. Except. Okay. So except may accept exception as e. So printing the error, the things, right? Printing the error. And I don't want this continue as of now. Okay, this is done. Now what I need to do, I need to print. Okay, events added. So how many events added? I need to print that. Events added, events added, comma, then dot calendar events. Okay, I need to put that now. So with open, so I need to create one function, one this one also, I mean, uh, file schedule.ics. Okay, comma, write as f. Okay, so f dot write call dot serialize. Okay, this will add your all the events to the calendar, which with the name schedule.ics, with schedule.ics as your name. So that's what it is writing. Okay, so now what I need to do, the next part is that, yes, as of now I need to just start returning the uh, so now return, okay, calendar saved. Okay, calendar saved or something, I'll just write. And in tools may, I need to add another tool, or successfully or something I can add here. It should be fine. So in tools may, what I need to do, guys, I need to add one another tool called save to calendar, and my save to calendar will be the function what we wrote currently. Okay, so this is a little bit think like it's big programming, but it's a small logic. First let me explain from starting. So schedule text, we will put it as calendar data. And also pattern wise, as I told, 8 a.m to 9 a.m, what is the things, I am writing one pattern here, and I'm calling the important function, that is calendar. Okay, so after that, what I am doing for all the things, right, I need to put it in like a uh, next line, right? For example, 8 to 9 p.m breakfast and other things. So for that, and also for adding to the calendar, I need to write the for loop. Okay, so whatever I am writing here, this start time, end date, and end date, start date, and all these things, based on the whatever for loop I am adding here. Or we need to add the date logic as well. Here the date logic is there. If user input is tomorrow, and if you are telling tomorrow in the user input, then you do time date time now plus time delta one, or otherwise you just do the today for today. And now start date I am modifying, because I need that event, whatever the year, month, and day, what I want to end it, end DT also. I am just doing this, all the things. So it will fetch all the year, month, and day, all the things. And event, I am just recognizing this. And as of now, I will add all these things to the calendar. Event name, begin date, and I will add all the things to the calendar using cal.events.add event. Okay, so after that, what I'm doing, I'm just adding all the events, and I'm just fetching the length of the events added, how many events has been added to the calendar. So after that, I am adding all the things to schedule.ics. So it will create a new file, which is schedule.ics, once we run this code. And afterwards, I will just return this, whatever the success message is there. And afterwards, in tools, I will add the save to calendar in the tools section. Okay, so this is what is the description of whatever I have created for tools. Okay, next what I will do, so this is one of the updates. So let me save this. Now what I will do, I will just go to llm.py. Okay, so llm.py, so what we will do, we will just whatever it is there, right? llm.py, yeah. So the prompt will change now, guys. I will explain you what will be the prompt. uh, the prompt will change anyways. So currently we have given like this much prompt, but this much prompt is not required now. So I will explain you this, what is this, right? So this is a system prompt what I am going to give for llm for the to save the calendar. Okay, so first thing, you are an AI assistant, you have plan, you plan a day, you can plan a daily schedule, save schedule to calendar. Rules: if user ask to plan, generate schedule. Okay, if user say save, add to the calendar or something, use the save to calendar. And otherwise only plan. See, this is what is very important, right? When you have the rules, that So for example, I'll understand, I will make you understand, right? This prompt, what it will do, guys, is that, so if you give only the plan, okay, it will generate only the plan, it will not add directly to the calendar, right? Because what if you don't want to add to the calendar, right? So that is also very important as part of usability. What if, for example, you just tell plan my fitness day and it will automatically add to the calendar, it is not adding sufficient value, because you don't want it to be added to the calendar, you just want to see the output of that, right? You don't want it. People can don't want to add to the calendar. So it makes sense, whatever, in whatever aspect we have, it makes sense that you don't want to add it to the calendar. But when you explicitly tell, okay, you want to save to the calendar or add to the calendar, it will go and create schedule.ics, and afterwards you can import to the calendar. So that is what is the main thing here. Okay, so make sure that you are understanding the concept here. Okay, if thought, and again you need to return the json and plan a day, save to calendar, and this is the input schedule text and time based schedule. So this is the prompt, system prompt, what we are trying to give to the llm. Okay, now coming to the last, right? uh, I think almost it is same whatever we have wrote, but here what I can tell is that llm, uh, def call llm, right here, call llm client chat, model messages is fine, temperature also have added. Yeah, and let me remove as of now this lawyer response content, we don't want this as of now. Okay, this is try catch block, try reasons except exception. Okay, uh let it be there, return thought. Okay, here let me do one thing, here I will add fallback, action plan day. Okay, input scheduled text may, what I can do is I will just tell whatever the content we have, right? We can just give that content as scheduled text, because your scheduled text can be this also, the content whatever we wanted to share. Okay, so now llm is done, right? So llm.py, I will just save this. Okay, this is the llm.py what I wanted. So now important thing is agent.py. So in agent.py, the main thing what you need to modify here is, okay, from agent.llm, from agent.tools, import tools, and call assistant agent. Okay, so now uh, let me redefine this, let me remove this class assistant. I will just put def init self, one second guys, it's not required this one. Okay, self dot last schedule equal to none. Okay, now let it be this one, def init I have called. Next what I will need to do is def run, or do one thing, I will just put this as part of this. One second, def init self. Okay, self dot last schedule put on none. Okay, self dot user input you are printing. Okay, I understood. User input, I am giving the prompt user request. One second, nah, prompt user request user input. Okay, and also I need to add few of the things here. Let me add, and previous schedule is also main thing, right? Whatever we want to add here, previous schedule. One second guys, let me fix this. Let me fix this, one second. So this is user input, user request what I am adding. Okay, prompt equal to, and now previous previous schedule This is just an indentation issue, guys. Don't worry. I'll try to fix this. Or let me do one thing. Previous schedule. Okay. Later we can add this. That's not a problem. So previous schedule later we can add, and response action, and we have thought of the action. So now important thing, right? So once you add this action, thought, action, all the things, right? So action dot thought you have added, and now what you need to do is uh, based on the action we need to perform the action, right? Okay. So now for that what I need to do is if action dot action, okay, is equal to save to calendar. Okay, if it is save to calendar, what you need to do is action dot input, okay, calendar data, and you need to put the uh, self last schedule. That is important. And, okay, so now I think this result tool section, oh, input data is missing here. Okay, one second. And let me remove this all the things as of now. Okay, if action is equal to this one, result equal to tools action dot action dot input, that should be fine. User input is not required as of now. Action input, uh, okay, action input is fine. Now what I need to do, I need to store the schedule planning also. So plan a day, right? Plan a day is also important. So for that, self loss schedule text, whatever you want to add the schedule text, you can add it here. So as self last schedule equal to action dot input, which is this one. So now important thing is you need to print that output, right? So print slash n output slash n. So you just put it the way in chunch. Okay. Here print result. So it should come in the next line, right? That's why. Now what I need to do, I need to return the result. That's it. So this is it, guys. This is agent.py. What I wanted to, just based on the action, save to calendar or plan a day, you are doing the analysis over that. That's it. This is agent.py. Okay. So hope you guys are understanding. Okay. So what I will do next is, next thing is main.py, which is very important. Main.py. I will just go to my main.py now and we'll start writing. So what I have done is that tools.py, I have added save to calendar here, guys. So save to calendar I have added, and llm.py I have added my system prompt, and also I have added I have added the system prompt. That is the basic thing. I mean, this is what it's very important here. Agent.py, what I have done is that based on whatever the action, right? So since we have two actions now, plan a day and save to calendar, so we are adding in a if loop. So these two three things you guys need to understand this. Okay. So next what I will do, which is main.py. Main.py, let me go to main.py here. What is there? So now main.py, I think it will be more because we are adding all the things, right? So from agent dot tools, I'm adding save to calendar also, right? So agent equal to agent assistant. In that, what I need to do is I need to tell last schedule is none. Okay. So while true, enter your goal, that should be fine. And if user input, that should be fine. So for better indentation, this one, right, I will add some of the lines here, right, so that it will make sure that we have a better indentation in the output. Okay, if any word in user input, okay, for word in save, add, export, whatever you want to give, right? You can give anything. So if not last schedule, okay, print no schedule to save, and you can also continue with that. Okay, now result equal to save to calendar. What you need to save, guys? One thing what you need to do is you need to schedule text equal to last schedule, user input equal to user input, which will enable the date detection. Okay, now I need to print the result. Print result, and I will just continue. Okay, so I'll just start continuing that. So I need to generate the plan now. So for that, what I need to do is I need to put schedule equal to agent dot run user input and last schedule equal to schedule. Let me delete this because we already added this as part of schedule. Okay, so almost it is ready, guys. Maybe we can check that whatever we wanted to give the this one. So this is my this is my main.py, and let us test this. Let us test this code, right? Let us test this functionality, whether it is working or whether it's not working. Okay, let us try this. Okay, so let me go to selection, sorry, view, view, sorry, not view, edit, no, 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 no. Run, view terminal. So view terminal mein, okay, so let me clear all these things earlier what we created, and simply I will run python. So hope my screen is clearly visible for you guys, so that you know main.py. So I'll just enter python main.py. Let me see, and as of now it is telling enter the goal for the day. Plan for my day in relaxation. Simply I will add relaxation because relaxation is good. Okay, so if you see, my relaxation day has been came here. Okay, let me put it to proper so that all the screen will be visible here. So if you see, right, so all my schedule till 10 a.m has been come here, right? So whatever I wanted to add at the 10 a.m it is coming here. uh, so one second, I think some problem is there. Let me check. Okay, let me see whether this will work or not. As of now we have given the schedule 12:30 or something. So what I will do now is that I will try to add this to the calendar. Okay, so let me select, as of now, add to calendar. So this is my goal, this is my goal, this is my second goal actually. So once I have done, it is telling some error. Okay, so let me see what is the error. So it is telling type error, save to calendar, got the unexpected text in the this one. Okay, let me see what is the error. I will try to fix that. Guys, I think only one thing was there. Only I think scheduled text I have wrote by mistake. Okay, it is scheduled text. Okay, so let me do cls once more, and let me run it again. Python main.py. So plan for my day for relaxation, you know adding this. Okay, all the thing came here. What are all the daily schedule is there available, is coming here. Add to calendar. Okay, saving previously calendar saves. Okay, as of now it is telling zero events added. Let me check that. Yeah, guys, I think the prompt was a little bit not correct, so I have, you know given the prompt properly so that it will understand the proper rules and other things, right? So earlier what we were getting was only 8 a.m, 9 a.m, 10 a.m, like that we were getting. So I've included this prompt now. So let me check now. We can run this file and we can check whether it is properly working or not. I will just run python main.py. Yeah. And so what I will do, I will just give plan my day for relaxation. Yeah. So, and as you see, this has given the this one, whatever the things are there. uh, so now I will just give add to calendar. So yeah, I mean it has added to the calendar, but it is adding only one event. Let me check that also. What is the problem? Yeah, I think we were not getting that, that slash n we were not added in the proper format, so I have fixed that. So if you see now, it is coming in a proper basis. So plan a day for my fitness I just given. So it has just given the daily schedule, what I need to do and everything, right? So what I will do, I will just tell it to add to my calendar, something like that. So as you see, uh, the events are added successfully. One event has added successfully, some six, right? And also as you see, it is created one file called schedule.ics in the left hand side. Let me open this. So and also it has created this events in the schedule.ics. Okay, now how to add this to the your Google calendar or something, we can see. So for example, now you need to see this in the calendar, right? As of now I have not integrated to the Google made API. But so how to add this schedule.ics into the this one? What is this? Uh, to the Google calendar. So that we will see. Okay. So let me open my Google Chrome. Yeah. So let me do one thing. I'll just switch my this one to Google Calendar, which is this. Yeah. So what I will do is that I will just try to add whatever we created, right? If you see in the right bottom, left bottom, sorry, left bottom, there is one section called others calendar. Okay. So what I will do, I will click here and I will click on import, and I will select my schedule.ics which we created just now, you know and I'll click on import. Okay. So if you see, I have imported all of my six events to the calendar. So let me go back. And if you see, guys, here if you see, all my six whatever it is there, right? So that is got imported. So let me minimize this, or let me put this side. Okay. So if you guys see here, right, morning run yoga 12:30 to 1 p.m, 1:30 to 2:30 breakfast, 2:30 to 3:30, 3:30 to 4, 4:30 to 5:30, all the things has been listed here. So this is how you can create, your events in this format where you can show exactly that, okay, what are all the things what I want to do uh, for fitness and other things, right? So you can do everything. So what I did was the fitness thing, right? So you can do relaxation, plan your day for relaxation, or plan your day for anything, right? So you guys can try that, so that you will get the proper you know routine, right? So your daily schedule and whatever the things whatever you have added, so you will get this. And as of now I have given the import as a manual thing, but yeah, I mean, let me know in the comments if you want actual Google Cloud, Google Mail API integration, right? It will directly add to your calendar. So if you tell add to your calendar, it will directly add all the things to the calendar. As of now I have created one ICS file where I have created these things. But let me know in the comments if you want any extension for this video, what you want, and I can create those kind of things, right? So this is how we can create this kind of you know this kind of scheduling the events and everything, right? So that is why I want you to make understand uh, this really is a practical solution, right? Practical solution. All the members, all the all the members can practically use it in your daily life, right? So you can have actually a plan for my day for relaxation or something, you can create, and you guys can start, right? So let me try another one. So let me go there and let me go to my coding things, which is a personal assistant. So as you see in the coding, right? So I have given this plan a day for relaxation. Earlier, what I was giving was I was giving that you know this one. So let me try this, right? So let me try, and so what I can do is add to calendar. Add to calendar is one of the event. So totally, what it has done, it has saved it under calendar. So let me see whether this will work or not. So it is giving till 4 meditation, reading, lunch, yoga, nature walk, and tea relaxation. It is saved to the calendar. Okay. So let me do one thing. I will delete the existing events on the calendar as of now, and let me see whether that whatever the new calendar, new this one is there, this will add or not. We will see. Okay. So let me delete all the things whatever the previous was there. As of now, right? So since it is today, it is giving today's only. So if I give plan the day for tomorrow, it will give for tomorrow also. Okay. So because I have given that condition there. So let me switch back to my Google Calendar. Okay. So I have deleted all the things which were displaying on 4th. I have deleted that. So let me try to add again. So same thing, other calendars you need to go. Let me put it at the top. So other calendars you can go, and you can go to import, and you can go to select file mem computer, you can go to schedule.ics and click on import. So as of now, this is also 6 events only. So if you just see my relaxation, nature walk, yoga, reading, meditation, all the events will come here. Okay. So this is how it is happening here. Yoga walk and all these things will happen. Okay. So this is how we have created this. Maybe you guys let me know in the comments what exactly we want in your next video, because this is how we can create the events also. Okay. Okay, I think that's all from this video. And if you like, please like this video, and if you please subscribe to the channel, so that we can see more practical things. And this series, I think it is completing today, because what I have done, guys, is that I have planned my day and I have added to the calendar, right? So this is one of the practical AI demo which I wanted to give you guys, right? So this is how it will work. This is how this practically it will work, right? So the problem statement is should be very clear when we are solving any problem. So that's why The problem statement what I had was how I can plan my day and add to the calendar, right? So this is what exactly I have done here in this practical solution of agentic AI concept. So let me know if you have any problems in your respective spaces. Let me know in the comment or group chat. I will discover, debug, explore. You know, and I will try to provide the solutions for you guys. If not, then don't mind. But I'll try my level best to see what is the problem, and how can I provide the solutions, and how we can work together for all the things. We will see, like, how what kind of problem is it, and if I can provide the solution, absolutely I can provide the solution, and I can give the demo and everything, right? So this is of one of the practical solution, whatever the practical this one we had. In the next video, I'll bring up another problem statement which is really practical enough to make sure we will code it, and we will try to create practical solution for that using agentic AI concept, and we'll see how it works, right? So yeah, if you please like this video, please like, comment it out for the problem statements, or if it is helpful for you, comment it out. And if you don't like this video, dislike, that's not a problem. But just make sure that we are following you, you are following me, and please subscribe to the channel. So there is more coming up, more practical solutions, more practical concepts, more practical tools we are going to create using AI and agentic AI concepts, right? So please make sure that you will follow me for more updates, more video tutorials, so that I will be always make sure that I am making sure that you guys are understanding. If you guys are not understanding also, please let me know, so that I can just see whether I can I can I can make you understand in simple language, or simple concepts. Okay. Yeah guys, I think that's all from my this video. See you in the next one. Thanks all for watching. Yeah, thank you, bye.